Then we'll do
Okay.
today we'll do a energy pull about body intensity, what is showing up to me everywhere and anywhere, wherever you frozen people stress and all in your body parts. Let's do that. So are you at ease right now? Would you like to do it right now?
Yes, yes.
You can sit aram se na for 10 minutes. Then we'll just, when I'll just switch it off after I finish the energy pull. How much ever time you want to be in the pull, that energy you can be, and then you can start working. Or if you want to sleep, you can sleep. Did you had your dinner?
No.
Okay. So, ठीक है. So, is body pulls okay?
Yes.
Okay. So you can switch off your audio, or you can keep it on also. Like if you want to speak anything, you can just speak in between. Have your barriers down. Barriers down. If you feel like, you can close your eyes. Ask your body to be present. Be present. Be present. Be at ease. 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 Relax. Whatever thoughts, feelings, emotions, whatever are coming to your head, just ask them to let them go, just dissipate, and ask your body to be at ease, and keep on repeating. Have your barriers down, barriers down, barriers down. Don't go into the wrongness. If anything else happens, it's okay, even if you by asking it happens. So just keep on saying barriers down, barriers down, barriers down. Now ask your body to expand and come out of the body, the walls of your body, and now expand, 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 expand to the size of the room wherever you are right now. Expand to the size of the building, city, country, wherever you are right now. Just feel the peace in your body and out of your body, the fun you have during this lockdown periods. Instead of going into the wrongness, the stress of work, just ask your body, body enjoy, body flow with the free flow right now. There's so much peace and calmness all over. Just tap into those energies. Expand to the size of the universe. Expand and deep into Mother Earth. Pull those Mother Earth energies, the smell of the mud, the beauty of the greens, the beauty of the water, oceans, the calmness, those ocean breeze. Just feel how light you feel in your body, and just flow everywhere, and just look at the beauty all around, as if you're just in the air, having the bird's eye view of our world, Mother Earth. How happy Mother Earth is right now. Have tap into that energies of the happiness of Mother Earth, and pull energy from Mother Earth, pull energy from the universe, the happiness, the joy, the ease. Pull those energies, tap into the happiness of the world. Expand, 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 expand to the size of the universe, be way beyond the universe, way beyond the galaxies upon galaxies and galaxies, and just free flow like feather, like how the feather will just flow from here to there, and have that beauty of flowing, and the beauty of the texture, the peace, the calm. And ask your body to be light as that. Ask your body to dissipate all the extra weight, extra stress, extra heaviness wherever it is stuck into your stomach, into your lower back. Just dissipate, dissipate, dissipate. Let that go. Let that go, whoever it belongs to. Just send it, send it, send it, and ask now what else is possible. Body, just enjoy. Enjoy your body, nurture your body, have that ease. Like, just feel like you're a free flow bird flowing everywhere, the white bird, and enjoy the oceans, the beaches, the greeneries, the mountains, the Himalayas, the wow. It's so nice, cozy, cool breeze flowing through your face, your body, and just ask all the intensities, all the pains, aches in your body to dissipate into Mother Earth, and be kindness, give kindness to Mother Earth. Ask Mother Earth, what can I contribute to you, and what contribution can I receive from you, Mother Earth? Wow. Just tap into those happiness moments when you were a small child, when you were born. Just feel that childlike energy playing into the water of oceans. Those ripples of water when you have drops, when you throw a stone in the water, and that tap, tap, tap voice coming into your ears. Playing in the snow of Himalayas. Just nurture your body like wow, awesome. Feel the lightness of your body, and every time and anywhere you are feeling again the heaviness in your body, in your left side of your knee, just ask your body, what are you aware of, and please can you just dissipate and send it to the center, and ask your body to be the happiest joyous child when you were born, and how people were just like cuddling you. Can you cuddle yourself? Can you have that childlike energy for yourself and be in that energy whenever you go into the wrongness again, and listen to people's points of views and catch it in your body, and who start healing those people? Can you ask your command your body, that's not your job. Wow. And be in this energies, just tap into those energies, pull energies, pull the calmness, pull the peacefulness of the oceans into your body, and be in those energies, tap into those energies every time you go into the wrongness. Send trickles of energies to be in the congruence of these energies every time, 24 by 7. Ask your body to be in this lightness. Just walk like a feather, fly like a feather, and ask all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. For each and every work, also stress you have, just ask what else is possible over here. Universe, show me the magic I am. You are the magic. Why are you going into the wrongness of people saying and commanding that you only have to do the work? Ask for the possibilities and you see how things fall. And every time you keep forgetting or going back into the wrongness, can you tap back into this energies of this childlike energy, whatever you have right now? Even if you feel like crying, cry like a small baby, and just cuddle your baby. And whenever you feel, you can even have a dairy milk or a chocolate, and be in this energies. Wow. Whenever you feel light, you can open your eyes or then just be in this energy. And if you have any questions or anything coming up, you can always talk to me.
Wow, Parita, that was awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, I really felt like a feather.
But then be in that energy.
Flying on the ocean.
And instead of going into the wrongness, tap into these energies every time.
Yes.
Yes. And ask Rutvik also to do this energy pull.
Yeah.
You can do for him.
Right.
Yeah, why didn't he join in?
Right.
Even he could have joined in.
He's just playing. Now he has a chess competition at 8:30. I think it will start now.
Okay. So all the best to him. There's one person joining in right now. Hi Umesh. We just got over with the energy pull.
Yes.
I cannot hear you. You're muted. You're muted.
Just a minute. It's over.
Yeah, just got over with that energy pull. We'll do it tomorrow again.
Okay. I,
Huh? Because I have a call at 9, so I cannot do it
yeah.
again. Okay?
Yeah, it's fine. I will do.
Yeah?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you so much. We'll see
Okay,
you
we can
tomorrow.
just do one small exercise. Vaishali, are you here? Okay, Umesh, would you like to talk anything like we would like to have from? We'll do the energy pool again tomorrow. But is anything coming up for money or anything? We can just clear those things right now for 5 minutes. I can wait. Would you like to talk?
How did this money flow?
Huh? You're not audible.
Money flow. Well, just some. How to increase money flow?
How is a question?
There's a flow of money. No, that's why I was wondering to ask the proper word.
You're into access, right?
That's why I was laughing before asking. Yes.
So you're into access, and you're asking how? So you tell me, how will you increase your money flow?
Yeah.
So can we be into that question? What do you do, Umesh?
But practicing hypnotherapy.
Huh?
I'm
You're
clinical hypnotherapist, and
okay.
besides that, clinical hypnotherapist. I'm hypnotherapist.
Okay.
How
So
does that mean?
yeah. So have you asked for the possibilities? What are the possibilities you can get your money flow from? Right now, what is the condition like? Is it stagnant or you have sessions going on?
No, it's stagnant.
Huh?
It's stagnant.
So have you asked for the possibilities? What you can do? What can I learn? Which will expertise like what you are into? Suppose a hypnotherapist, so you can do small courses. See, like access will help you into pulling out lots of other things which you can contribute to your business or your work. So you have to always be in that question: कि what course
Yes.
can I pick up, or what possibilities are available for me? Like do I join any club, or do I give online sessions? Do I start a Facebook live? Have you started your Facebook live, giving small tips, and then pulling people, making a group for yourself, and then give paid sessions? Have you done that?
Okay. Yeah, that.
You
No,
can.
that's procrastinating.
So if you
Postponing it.
require anything of that, we can always work together. But then for that, you have to be in that question. Only like just कुछ भी हो जाए,
Yes.
मैं कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Money stagnated is not a reason. Okay,
Yes. That,
right?
yes. Actually, I keep
आप
on postponing it.
why? So that is what I'm
So long.
sensing. That is what I'm sensing. You're just postponing, and you're yet only a hypnotherapist. In this 2 months, what have you added to you more? Did you add any other thing?
In this, yeah, compared awareness, I had added a lot. The possibilities, there are so many possibilities, but instead of choosing applying it, I am keep postponing it.
So can you
And
be in that
if
question?
I can give you the example, like almost from 20 days, yes, those, just the possibilities are showing up, but